so today, this is my cat, one of them, and these are my fidgets, and I'm gonna be, just trying, we're gonna go in here with my cat. His name is Puffy. We got treats for him. I don't know if this will be interesting. Wait, I'm gonna open the treats. I opened the treats and I'm gonna get them. I'm also here with my best friend. Yeah. You could follow me on TikTok and all. Okay. Please make me famous. So this is, so yeah. Let's see, does he like bananas? Nope. He's like, what the heck is that? I have 3 more cats. Kiki, Mittens, and Leo. Excuse me. Okay. Does he like monkey noodles? No, he doesn't. Let's see if he's interested in a tangle. Tangle? I think he's still eating his treats, so let him eat his treats first. He's so beautiful. And anyways, guys, while she's waiting for a face reveal, if she wants, she could show my face. No. 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 Well, now it seems like he's done eating, so let's do the tangle part. Well, you like tangles. No. He came back to the mini puppet. I think he likes this small puppet one that I made. He like doesn't know what's happening. Do you like the puppet? Puppy? I have so much pictures. Some of them are mine, like this is mine. Yeah, and this is mine. This? Mine. I thought I traded you something for it. It's my favorite. Why would I trade it? I don't know. Okay, so it's yours. So she got this in one of her fidget packs. No, I didn't. No, Annabelle, my friend gave it to me. That was my first video that we are playing together. Don't go in the bin. What are you doing, Puffy? What are you doing? There's no treats in the bin. Don't eat the toilet paper. Oh, there is a treat in the bin. Is there? Yeah, there is a treat. Oh, there is. Here, take it if you want. Like, wow, you ate that quickly. Lena has so much accessories, guys. Like, look at it. So much. Why are you going? Oh no, he's gonna take it off toilet paper and put it over here. What the hell? Well, he came back in the bathtub and he's looking for treats. There's noodles. There is, or should we check? Does he like an Orbeez? Does he like Orbeez? My cat Kiki eats Orbeez, so I don't know. There's an Orbeez. So we got these Orbeez. The clear one is the biggest. Yeah. Now give them to Kiki and see will he eat them. Now it seems like he's not awake. He's trying them, but he's not eating them. Oh, I think he just ate the heart. No, he didn't eat the heart of that. It's a magical blessing. Orbeez.
It's a pattern. Pink.
Look, I'm gonna put an Orbeez.
Clear. Pink.
I'm gonna put an Orbeez on him. Oh my gosh. There's a green Orbeez.
Oh, it fell off.
Bill's just appeared out of nowhere.
He thinks the treat is in this.
I'm making him a dish. A dish. So she's gonna put treats in her butterfly dimple. I don't know how this is called. So, no! Puffy's trying to get to the treats. Alright, yeah, you're gonna take them. And we're gonna have this.
And he
Do
has
you want them
his
or not?
treats.
Yeah.
Let's see, does he eat this one beside the red?
treats.
Oh my god.
So cute when he eats like that.
These are the other treats.
Oh my god, look what Lena put on it.
How cute. He ate that one, that one, that one. And he didn't eat that one.
Give me the phone back. That was so funny. He just doesn't know what's on him. A jumbo poppet. Guys, should we put the bigger poppet on or the medium poppet on? Lena, what do you think? On where? On Puffy. The medium. I think this is gonna be putting things on him. Wow. Now he's just gonna. Should I put a banana on him or a tangle on him? Banana. He still has the creature on him. So there's a pink one.
Do you like
these?
bananas?
I'm sure I'll find one for you. There definitely should be a pink one. Hello. So we're going to when we're washing my cats, I'm gonna take a video and post it on YouTube. Wait, is it broken? No, I thought this was a stress ball. So we're gonna look for the pink one. Help me find it. You're blind. Okay, I'm blind. So this is like that one has to be. No, it's on his tail now. It has two weird eyeballs. I love. And then why is there toilet paper stuck on this? It's off. And what is he doing? He's so interested. And Kiki. Not like Kiki. Kiki just came in and went out quickly. Buffy is like, what did you put on your back? It's so funny. It's like. A worm cat. Guys, I dare you to find a white mochi for me. Blind. Blind. She's blind. I see them, but I'm giving them challenges. They're not even gonna comment because I think it's gonna be turned off because I just don't know how to turn it on. Okay. Well, Georgie Pig there. Here you go, the camera. It's a phone. Okay, but a phone has a camera. What are you doing, Puffy? I think I'm gonna bring another cat in here. Alright, Julia, just. I took over the phone camera. So, I'm gonna go sit in here. Puffy. someone may want to know what your color is. Puffy, you want a treat? Okay. We getting the treats. Well, so I'm back with a grumpy cat. He has green eyes, and we're gonna give Kiki some treats.
This is Kiki, my oldest cat, and Puffy's my youngest. They hate each other.
Yes.
The toilet paper.
Kiki, would you like some treats?
She has her own spot on the toilet and still doesn't
I'm
want
so
to eat the
Puffy,
treats.
but I'm so sad for Puffy, but he only gets 2 treats. Eat it. They're on my hand.
She's
Oh,
so
my-
beautiful. She's so
You
cute.
want more, right? Here.
Kiki, are you gonna eat your treats or?
Eat it. Eat it.
Yay! Kiki, what?
Okay. So look how much treats there is.
Put it on the ground.
Puffy is mine.
Yeah, he'll eat it if it's not on your hand.
Give me a face reveal.
No.
Come on.
Kiki, can you fit your
Like,
legs?
my face could go out.
Wow.
Free.
This is my calendar cat. It's very beautiful. Why are you playing with the sticky slime? My room is very messy, don't mind it.
I'm taking this slime off me.
Okay, so I think we're gonna end the video.
For today. And
Not today, like.
for today, because like it is literally like 8 in the night.
I don't know, what time is it?
Real good.
Yeah, it's like 10. Or is it 9?
9 in the night.
Okay, so bye.
Bye.